Hey guys, it's Stacy here. Welcome to my channel, Life's a Project, where I like to share my everyday life projects with you. So it's not too early to start thinking about what you want to grow to have for fall decorating. Now I have a couple of things here that I want to get started today because they take 90 days to maturity. So if you want some pumpkins and gourds to be able to use with your fall decorating, you need to go ahead and plant them now. So that's what we're going to do today. So starting with this cornucopia gourd mix, here on the back it says 5 to 7 days to germination, 90 days to maturity, and they like full sun. Now these are a miniature gourd, great colors, I just love them, and these will be great for fall decorating. Now my plan is to grow 4 plants in this container total. That is 2 of the gourds and 2 of the pumpkins. So I have 4 seeds here of the gourd mix, and I plan to plant 2 in each planting space so that I have hopefully 4 seeds that germinate, and I'll have 4 seedlings to choose the best 2 to keep. So I just made my planting holes with my fingers about 1 inch deep, added 1 seed to each planting hole, and then I'll just cover it lightly, and then I just press that soil so it has good contact with the seed, and then I'll just have to come back and water it in. So next, the pumpkins. Now these are called Jack B. Little pumpkins. Now the seeds look just like the gourd mix, so easy to work with. I'll just plant them up the exact same way. Now again, 90 days to germination, and they like full sun. So these, it says they are prolific producing plants, so I could get 10 to 15 of these miniature pumpkins per plant, so that would be fantastic. I think these would go great in little fall containers to give them that bright pop of orange color. So when you're growing pumpkins and gourds, they are vine crops. So when you're growing them in a small space or in a container, it's good to try to grow them vertically and also choose varieties that are smaller varieties like the miniature pumpkins and gourds that I've chosen. So I've just added 2 of these metal obelisks to this container to act as trellises. Now I purchased 4 of these last year to use as trellises, and they worked out great. So I actually have 2 more in another container with sugar snap peas. So when those peas are done, I'll just pull them, add them to this container. So I'll have 4 trellises in here total, and as these vine crops start to grow, I'll just work those vines up the trellises, and I think it'll work out fantastic. So guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. I hope you will subscribe to my channel. I thank you so much for watching. I hope you get out and plant your stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. It's so windy. Ooh. Hey guys, it's Stacy here. Welcome to my channel, Life's a